Hi, you welcome to Financial Freedom Hub. Here today, our Guinea fowls are ready for market. So you can see we've caged them. They are going to market. Your backyard garden can be lucrative. Just have to spend a little money, a lot of time, and then you can make some side income out of it. So this bed like this, so you can see these ones. There are middlemen who buy to resell in the retail market. So this one like this is one of the middlemen's cage that he brought. So these are 30 beds that are inside here. You see like this, one of them goes for 140 Ghana cedis, and then he decides how much he wants to sell them. So you can see it's quite profitable. These guys are free for now. They are roaming around. Those are the leftover ones. They are all over the place. And so you can start a backyard or a small guinea fowl business. Agribusiness is profitable if you know how to do it, and then you put in the right time, the right effort, and then you can get some good results. So as you can see now, this is some little money you can get as side income. And so this one we are going to reinvest, going to get an incubator, get eggs and hatch and start over again, increase the numbers, and then we are building up like that. So I encourage you. And then if you need a bed, if you're around Bogatanga and you need a bed, just give me a call or just send me a note, text message or whatever, and then let's do business. So today is Salah Idul Adha, and so he was sending them to the market to go and take advantage of the festival, and then he will also possibly make his profit out of this. I don't have time to go to market and go and be selling them one by one, so I sell to a middleman, and then he goes to sit in the market. They have their own market area where they sell the beds. You go and put it inside his cage, and then he will sell. The number of days it will take to sell, that one is business. So thanks for watching. Remember, you can do something like this and then you can make money out of it. Yesterday I was there to do some survey, and then these local birds have market at this time. So you can see them in there. Let me open them and you see. You can go this way. If you don't want to go the Guinea Fowl way, you can go this way. So there you see these guys coming out. So they too have a market. Yesterday in the market, something like this, smaller than this a little bit, we're going for 100 Ghana cedis. So this one's bigger. You can make a lot of money out of them. Imagine you have 20 to 30 of these cockerels, and then you send them to the market, and each of them gives you 100 or 120 Ghana cedis. That's some cool cash you can get. So all these birds you are seeing like that, they started from 5 hens and then 1 cock. That one did its work and then grew old, died, we changed it. So 2 cocks, 5 hens, they produce all these local chicks you are seeing like this. So start something small, and who knows, you can make a great business and income out of it. It's just a matter of spending a little money on feed, etc. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.